Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm going to tell you a story about animals, and it is called The Open Ocean. Why I like this book is because it has flaps that have animals in them, and with the animal is information about it. Now I'm going to tell you about some of my favorite animals in here. A few things about it. There is the eel. It has teeth in its mouth and in its throat. So it captures the prey with its teeth in its mouth, and it chews it up with its teeth in its throat. And then the next, and these are some shells. All of them are alive. And this is an edible crab. And the males have a Washington Monument on the back of them, and that's the first thing I pull off when I eat them. And I really like to eat them, and when you get to the claws, you can play with them. And me and my brother will really like to do that. And at the back, there's this cool puzzle, and me and Will really like to do the orca. And this. It is the orca, and that's my report. And two more things. You can find this at your library, and there's two books wrote by the same author, and that's Birds of a Feather and Owl's Lane, and we have them both. And that's Open Ocean.